Practice mindfulness. Be in the present. The past is already gone. The future is not here yet. You have only one moment to live, and that is the present moment. Hello everyone, my name is Pratish Paliwal from class 6th, and today I am here to give a speech on the topic of the Buddha Purnima. Siddhartha, who later became known as the Buddha or the Enlightened One, was a prince who forsook the comforts of a place to seek enlightenment. He realized the essential of the world and experienced the bliss of nirvana. After his enlightenment, he spent the remainder of his life teaching otherwise how to escape the endless cycle of birth and death. He was born in Lumbini near the Nepal. What I learned from the Buddha's life: have compassion for all beings, not matter rich and poor alike. Each has their suffering. Some suffer too much, other too little. Teach his triple truth to all. Thank you. Have a
Good morning. My name is Dakshita Kahani. I am from class 6. Today I am going to tell about Buddha Purnima. We live in illusion and the appearance of things. There is a reality. We are that reality. When you understand this, you see that you are nothing, and being nothing, you are everything. That is all. Happy Buddha Purnima. Buddha Jayanti, also known as Buddha Purnima, celebrates the birthday of Lord Buddha. It also commemorates his enlightenment and death. It's the most scared Buddhist festival. Buddhists regard Lumbini, which is known part of Nepal, to be the birthplace of Buddha. In Nepal, which is considered the birth country of Buddha, it is celebrated on the full moon day of the Vaishka month of the Hindu calendar and is traditionally called Buddha Purnima. Happy Buddha Purnima. I will tell you some lines that is written by Lord Buddha. For head is never concrete by head. Head is concrete by love. This is an eternal law. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy Buddha Purnima to all of you.
Good morning, myself Anushka Mulra from class 60. Today I speak a speech and a poem on the occasion of Buddha Purnima. Thanks Mukesh sir for organizing this program on the very special occasion. May Lord Buddha enlighten you on the path of love, peace and truth. Happy Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima is one of the most sacred festivals in India for Buddhists. However, it is widely celebrated all over the country and also in Asian countries. The Nirvana is also known as Vesak. Devotees visit temples by wearing white clothes. They make offering to the Lord Buddha statue. Now we start a poem. Life in a joy, in love, even among those who hate. Life in joy, in health, even among the afflicted. Life in joy, in peace, even among the troubled. Look within, be still, free from fear and attachment. Know the sweet joy of living in the way. Happy Buddha Purnima. Thanks for watching.
हेलो, आई एम अक्षिता पुंगलिया फ्रॉम क्लास 7। आज मैं आपको गौतम बुद्ध का प्रारंभिक जीवन बताना चाहूँगी। गौतम बुद्ध का पूरा नाम सिद्धार्थ गौतम बुद्ध था। गौतम बुद्ध का जन्म 483 में और 563 ईस्वी पूर्व के बीच कपिलवस्तु के पास लुम्बिनी नेपाल में हुआ था। कपिलवस्तु की महारानी महामाया देवी को अपने प्रिय देवदह जाते हुए रास्ते में प्रसव पीड़ा हुई और उन्होंने एक बालक को जन्म दिया। उनके पिता का नाम शुद्धोधन था, जो कि शाक्य के राजा थे। पर प्रमाणगत कथाओं के मुताबिक उनकी माता माया देवी थी, जो काली वंश से संबंधित थी, जिनका सिद्धार्थ के जन्म के 7 दिन बाद निधन हो गया था। इसके बाद उनका पालन पोषण उनकी मौसी और शुद्धोधन की दूसरी रानी महाप्रजापति गौतमी ने किया था, जिसके बाद उनका नाम सिद्धार्थ रख दिया गया, जिनके नाम का अर्थ है वह जो सिद्धि प्राप्ति के लिए जन्मा हो, अर्थात सिद्ध आत्मा, जिसके सिद्धार्थ ने गौतम बुद्ध बनकर अपने कामों से सिद्ध किया। वही इनके जन्म के समय एक साधु ने भविष्यवाणी की थी, यह बालक एक महान राजा या किसी महान धर्म का प्रचारक होगा। और आगे चलकर साधु महाराज की इस भविष्यवाणी को गौतम बुद्ध ने सही भी साबित किया और वे पवित्र बौद्ध धर्म के प्रवर्तक बने और समाज में फैली बुराइयां को दूर कर उन्होंने समाज में काफ़ी हद तक सुधार किया।
Priyanshu Agrawal from class 6 and I am here to give a speech on Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima is also known as Buddha Jayanti. Buddha Purnima is celebrated to commemorate the birth, enlightenment and death, nirvana of Gautam Buddha, the 3 important events of life of Buddha. It is celebrated on the full moon night in Vaishakha month, according to Hindu calendar that usually falls in April or May. This festival is celebrated throughout Southeast Asia. This festival is celebrated by the Buddhists. It is the most holy time in the Buddhist calendar. Buddha Purnima is also known as Vaishakha Puja in India. In Buddha Purnima, devotees make donations to the temple. On this day, the Buddhists bath and wear only white clothes. Incense, flowers, candles, and fruits are offered to the statue of Buddha. So you all know that there are so many quotes said by Lord Buddha. So some of them are, we live in the illusion and the appearance of things. There is a reality. We are that reality. When you understand this, you see that you are nothing, and being nothing, you are everything. That is all. May the full moon of Buddha Purnima away the darkness of ignorance, bigotry and hatred, herald an era of contentment, peace and enlightenment for the world. Heartiest greetings on this day. Faith and prayer both are invisible, but they make impossible things possible. If you truly loved yourself, you could never hurt another. Train your mind to see something good in everything. Happiness will never come to those who fail to appreciate what they already have. Don't compare your life to others. There's no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. In the end, only 3 things matter: how much you loved, how gently you live, and how gracefully you let go things not meant for you. Life is like a book. Some chapters are sad, some happy, and some exciting. But if you never turn the page, you will never know what the next chapter holds. Our life is the creation of our mind. A friend is someone who knows everything about your life and still loves you. Speak well of others, not of their faults. True love is born from understanding. Overthinking is the biggest cause of unhappiness. So, thank you to all of you for your patience and time.